This is Nokia C31 I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So, to begin with, you will need to launch the Play Store app and obviously connect your phone to the Wi-Fi prior to and log into your Google account at the Play Store if necessary. Then you will need to enter the Opera query at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, click on the Screen Install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that we undergo a very simple setup procedure. So firstly, tap at the blue Continue button. Then choose or decide, should I rather say, whether you're ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip the step if you do not want to. Then that's the final page actually. In here you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.